Okay, gotta see something first before I start. Does my audio work? Before I start. Hello? I'm lagging. Of course I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Of course I'm lagging. Okay, it's working. Let's go. My live audio is working. Okay. I don't know what this is. What is this? Beetlejuice? And this little companion? Okay, where am I? What is this? What did I press? Is that Beetlejuice? I think that might be Beetlejuice. I don't know what I pressed. That is Beetlejuice. Okay. That's Beetlejuice, and so if that's Beetlejuice, if I move a little bit, there's the Orion Nebula. Isn't it so beautiful? Okay, so this time around, I'm going to be looking for life in a different galaxy, so what's going on? We'll start off by going to the Andromeda. Last time I looked for life, I went to the star cluster. Or I guess this is a separate galaxy. Yeah, it is a separate galaxy. Not a star cluster. Technically, that would be a galaxy. Anyways, we've got to look inside of the galaxy. You gotta see few things. Just and at this binary star system. Let's just look around. Ooh, I think I found a nebula. Wow, what a nebula. Right next to that massive star. Is that a star cluster? I've never seen a star cluster that big. For a second, I thought it was a galaxy. Uh, mini galaxy. Baby. Ooh. It's pretty bright. I wouldn't want to live around here. It's probably insanely hot too, but let's look at this yellow dwarf. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background, but my computer fans are going crazy. Let's see, does this have any rocky planets? This is a rocky planet, but it's like completely frozen over. This one's a rocky planet with rings. Let's go check this one out. This looks pretty cool. It's also frozen over. Of course, it's got to be frozen over. But look at this. The most distant one. This one has an atmosphere, but once again, frozen over. Anyways, let's go look for planet with life somewhere else. Somewhere else in the galaxy. Maybe not the center. Like right there. I'm gonna find somewhere from right here. Let's go right here. And then find a teeny dot. Let's go to that dot. That dot right there. Okay, I guess we're going to that dot. I'm not even at that dot. Okay. Let's look out in the galaxy. Let's look right there. This looks too luminous for light. I would be right. It's a gas giant, but it's a rocky planet and it's way too hot. Plus, it doesn't have an atmosphere or anything. So I'm not going to use the tool that lets you look for planets with life. I'm instead just going to look through the stars. Another binary star system. All the planets are too cold for life, so let's go to a different star. Let me land on... Wasn't expecting this one to have a super thick atmosphere. That isn't really the surface. It just makes you think it's the surface. But instead, it's a really thick layer of clouds that looks like a surface. This one tricked me. It's got all water. Let's go there. Browse planetary system, too cold. Let's go there. Browse planetary system, too cold. But this one looks cool. Let's check this out. It's binary system. It's got binary planets and binary... Is that the Milky Way? I'm just checking. Yep, that's the Milky Way. Anyways, if I find life out here, just tell NASA to send us all here. Actually, if I go back into our system, maybe I'd have a better chance of finding a good one. Not our system, our galaxy. I'd have a better chance of finding one for NASA. Let's go to Stephenson 218 for reference. What a big star. So lumpy. For anyone wondering, this is what the speed of light looks like on Stephenson 218's surface. It's basically not, like I'm not even moving. To look like I'm actually moving, I'd have to go 66 times the speed of light. And to go around it as fast as the light goes around Earth in a second, I'd have to go like 0.07 light years a second. So that's just how big Stephenson 218 is. Does Stephenson 218 have anything orbiting it? I don't think so. No. It's nearing the end of its life. It's gonna die. What's in here? Can I browse your planet? Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Okay. Let's look at this. Can I see your planetary system? Hello? Okay. Wow. What a molten planet. So close. Let's look at the dark side. I'm not a big fan of how these look on the surface. They look insane from a distance, but the surface isn't anything cool. I mean, it's to be expected. It's all molten and like it's just a little lumpy. That's it. You're not gonna get like any crazy terrain. It's all like melting itself away. It's only being held together by gravity. It's got a dwarf moon that's also insanely hot. Look at that. This one's got at least a little bit of texture. But it doesn't really matter. What's going on here? What's this? Weird texture. Texture glitch, I think. Something. But yeah, you can definitely see where it's hotter. It's hotter right there. Of course, right here, and then... Jeez. The game keeps freezing. And of course, right there. I don't know why I'm spending too long here. Let's see. Got this one, still insanely hot. This is the coldest one. And it's still too hot for us to live on. So this wasn't a good place to visit to find life. Nothing is in the habitable zone. So let's go to Earth. I'm looking for something close to Earth. So let's go to Earth. Let's go here. Earth. So we're looking for somewhere to move to, right? So you got options like those small stars right there. We can go to that one. I don't think it's too far, right? Still too hot. Sun's got a little bit of an atmosphere, and it's got magnetic field. Now, this planet's got too many greenhouse gases. Of course, it's red, but it's got most of what we need. Got a gravitational field. It's got clouds. It's got an atmosphere. It's just that the atmosphere is like, it's got a lot of greenhouse gases. It's got CO2. We can't breathe CO2. It does have water, I think, is what it said. But we can't breathe CO2. That's a big no-no. Let's go here. Oh, what a star. These bumps are probably as big as Earth. I'm trying to take off and I can't. I'm moving at the speed of light right now. And I don't know what's going on right here. Just got a strip of different colors. I don't know what those little black dots are. I'm not an expert at this stuff. Someone could tell me what the black dots are. That would be awesome. But too bad no one's watching. Anyways, let's move on to the next planet. Or maybe we can just find a cool gas giant. To find something really cool, first we're gonna have to go to the Orion Nebula. The Orion Nebula is cool, so that's a good place to start. I think you can find your way to Earth from the Orion Nebula. If you just look super hard. Turn this number up a lot. Let's turn that number up to about there. And then you just look super hard. And you'll be able to find the sun and you'll be able to find Earth. My computer doesn't like this, and I don't think YouTube compression likes this either. Yeah, YouTube compression does not like that. Let's turn that number back down. Where's the Orion Nebula? Okay. Let's look for this star. This star looks good. An orange dwarf, just like our sun. Let's browse the planetary system. We've got this star. This planet. It's the closest one. It's a gas giant. That's pretty odd. You don't really see that often. Got this one. Slightly further. 1 Celsius. Not hot enough. We got this one. Another gas giant with rings, actually. Kind of like a Saturn. Like our Saturn. But it's different colors. Rings are different colors. And of course it's way closer, and actually I think it's bigger. Anyways, there's nothing suitable for life, but this place looks pretty cool. Let's go right here real quick. It's got some purple rings. Let's go to this moon. This dwarf moon. pretty much bright on all sides. Or maybe we could look for life on a moon. Yeah, we could do that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we could look for life on a moon. It's just, oh my gosh, let me right click. Holy malfunction of the game. Parent, let's go to you. Go back to the star. Okay. Where was it? Pretty new to this game. I'm still looking for things. This button. No. This button. Yes. Okay. Got this place. I don't think you can live on this. Nope. At this point, this is not, it's not very effective. So like, I'm just gonna look for a planet with life. Like I'm gonna use the tool. Let's see. Wait a second. Let's exit out of this first. Let's look. 10 light years. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Organic like life. I want life. Oh, what am I multicellular life? Okay. Eh, multicellular. Objects to surf, search, planets and moons, organic life, multicellular, 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 aurora, clouds. Ooh, rings. Let's search for one with rings. Not aurora. Yes, aurora, I guess. Clouds, aurora, rings. Okay, 100. 1,000 actually. Let's look for 1,000. Wait, how do you search this? Oh, search. 0 out of 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Close. Let's go over here and do it. 0. Okay. Just. It's just planet. Planet only. Rings. Yes, rings. Yes, Aurora. Okay, search. No life? I'm gonna go to this part of the galaxy. Let's see. Is there any life in this part of the galaxy? No. Can I up the search radius more than this? Nothing in 1,000 light years? How about 10,000 light years? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Am I in the Andromeda? Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, let's go here. Going here and searching. Nope, going too fast. No more kilolight years, just light years. Actually, 1 kilolight year. That'd be good. Okay, let's see. What did I press? What's going on with the Milky Way? Getting bigger, it's getting smaller. Now it's just staying the same size. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that. Anyways, let's search for life in here. What's this nebula? That's a pretty nice nebula. Okay. What's the button? Shift F3. Okay, search. No life. Okay. This unicellular, multicell, unicellular, multicell. Just uncheck all of those. Just any type of planet with life. I'm not very successful with finding any life. So I'm just gonna look for gas giants. Can there be a three binary star system? Like, hold on. Is that a thing? Doesn't matter actually. Let's do that. Doesn't matter. Okay, no life. No life. It's just planets. Doesn't have to have life. Planet. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, this thing works. Three stars, 18 planets. Let's go to that. Let's go to that. Okay, 2 binary stars. Apparently it's got a third star in here. What? It's a star? Oh, well, I can see that's a star, but this is a star? This is not a star. I can tell you for sure this is a brown dwarf. Not a star. Did they classify brown dwarfs as stars? That would make more sense, right? This brown dwarf's got a lot of moons. Or technically planets. Anyways, let's search for not just F3, Shift F3. That's how you get to here. Can we find one with 4 stars? Probably not. Oh, 6 stars? What? No way. Let's go to this. See what this looks like. Looks normal so far, just a binary star system. Ain't no way it's got enough gravity for 4 other stars. Now that. This a brown dwarf? No. What's going on here? There is no stars. There isn't no stars. Oh. We've got this star binary with those 2 stars. Wait a second. What's going on? These 2 stars are binary, but also these 2 stars are binary. And they also got this planet. Super hot planet. It's got 500 Celsius lit up by 2 planets, so you got barely any night. Good luck trying to sleep on this. You thought your bed was hot at night. Try to sleep in this bed. And a bed in here. Surface temperature. Blazing hot. Never mind. So if I go onto the surface, the local temperature is 561. It's got 6 moons though. Not very big moons, all dwarf moons. This is the biggest one. Or closest one, I think. Anyways, let's look for a different one. Got planets. 25 planets. Let's check out this one. Go to. What's going on here? Oh, we got this. This is a star. A brown dwarf. Pretty, pretty, pretty bright brown dwarf. It's basically a star. Got a mini Neptune. I don't know how this is cold. How is this so cold? Why is it negative 104 degrees? It's like right next to the star, the brown dwarf. Okay, where to go to here? Wow, got a lot of stuff here. It's all cold. This planet, this planet. It's all orange in this system. This planet. This one. This one. This one. Turn on real size. This is bigger than the star? Wait, what is going on? How is this bigger than the star? I have real sizes turned on, and these rings are bigger than the star as well. I mean, I kind of believe that, honestly. Those rings are pretty big. And the star is only, what, red dwarf? Not the biggest or hottest star. But yeah, these are microscopic compared to their star. I should probably play why can I not remember the name? Universe Sandbox. I don't know how I don't remember the name. Although I've played it for I don't know how many hours, over 200. Let's go here, here. See what this is. Another gas giant. Another massive gas giant. These are all bigger than the stars, except for this one. This is bigger than the star. Got this that's bigger than the star. We've got this that's bigger than the star. This is bigger than the star. Am I seeing things, or is this like... Okay, I'm probably seeing things. Where... Anyways, we got this one that's bigger than the star. This is way smaller than the star. This is bigger than the star. And whoa! Got a moon with rings? I've never seen that one before. Next to massive gas giant. Let me land on this actually. It's got pretty much no night. Although it does get darker, it's not technically completely night. It's only night when it's... When is it night? It's only night in one spot of the world. It's this chunk. For not even that long. Because you can see the gas giant rising on the horizon. To escape the gas giant, I'm gonna go back a little bit. And whoops, there's the sun. It's the only place you can escape it, and you can already see the sun rising. So let's just go in this planet's ring system. Pretty nice ring system. And just look at the planet. And keep saying planet. It's not a planet. And I like how it looks like the rings just disappear until it only looks like it disappears when you're not like over the galaxy, but it looks like it disappears. Look at that. That's something I love about rings and shadows and stuff. And where am I? I'm just yapping. Oh my gosh. I'm lagging. Anyways, let's go here. Then from here, I'm gonna go to there. This cluster. And then this star. Browse planetary. Delete. This delete. Then I'm gonna... Why am I landing on it? Get me off of the star. Get me off the star. Holy. Sun's binary. Got a massive. We got a super Jupiter up in here. Let's go to the night. Didn't mean to land on it. Now I'm in the clouds. This is what it looks like above the clouds at night. Under the atmosphere, but above the clouds. So you can see the stars turn red, and you can see the Tarantula Nebula not too far away. There's a lot of stars to browse through in here, so let's just look for life, you know? Look for life. No life. Okay. Forget looking for life. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's look for rings. Look for diameter. No. Let's look for a moon. Moon only. With the rings. And doesn't matter about life, but I want rings and I don't know what units that's in, cause uh, I'm just looking for moons with rings. Life? Well, why isn't it telling me there's life? There's a 4. Let's go to this one. Oh. Multicellular subglacial life. I think the search that I was using was a little too specific. So let's go back to planet and moon. Let's go unicell or multicell, and let's just search. Got one with 4. Of course, it's this one. Planet 1A has life. This is a moon with life, by the way, guys. I'm pretty sure this is his daddy. Yep, this is his daddy. And that's the moon with life. Organic, multicellular, subglacial life. None of these have life on it. Different. Okay, anyways. Let's go. Let's go back. Back a little bit. Okay. Let's go back to the search. Let's go to distance. Okay, let's go to this one. Whoa. It's got rings on an asteroid. Let me browse the planetary system. This one's one of many. This one's organic multicellular, subglacial though. Let's go to this. Where's our daddy at? Hi, where's your daddy at? Who do you orbit? Who's your parent? Oh, is this guy your parent? It's planet. Organic multicellular subglacial. This one's got life too. Organic. It's aerial life. It's multicellular. It's probably got birds on here. Got some birds. It's temperate. Okay. We got marine and terrestrial life on this bad boy. Let's see what's the Ooh, where am I at? Where am I at? Where am I at? See the surface. Nice. This almost looks like Earth. A deserty Earth. Wouldn't want to live here. How are we gonna build houses? On top of this stone? All over the place? Where's the marine life at? It's all dried up. Got a little bit of water. Not much though. All you got is a stream on this entire planet. It's probably salt water no one can drink. Okay, that's not habitable. Got a big river going across a lot of the planet. Is this a lake? Or is this something with the planet? So, some grass. There's grass here. I didn't think there was enough water for that. Is that oil? I have no idea what that is. I think it might be like oil or tar. Wait, it's not natural, is it? I don't know, man. It's got like some volcanic stuff around it. Anyways, let's get going. Need to find some more life. Got life on the moon? No life on the moon. Got life on the moon? Got no moon. Well, it says you got no moon. Where's all the life at? Said there's a bunch with life. Probably the rings. Why do I have it on subscribers only? Give me a second. Hold on. Hold on. Why is it set to subscribers only? How do I set it to not subscribers only? Title and description language. No, 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 not that, not that, not that. Where is it? Stream. Anyone. Okay. I don't know why subscribers only mode was on. Don't don't know when I turned that on. Where am I? Let's go to this star cluster. This globular star cluster. Let's go to what is something in here? What a star. It's got some planets on it. Let's see the planetary system. Got this torrid super Jupiter. Oh my gosh! We've got this another torrid Jupiter. This torrid super Jupiter. This one right here. This one's bigger than the star. Apparently, it's bigger than the star. Something's glitched. It's not bigger than the star. Okay. I don't know what's going on. It's got a hot, warm Neptune. Yeah, pretty warm. I don't know what to do about that because I'm in a cluster. Let's go to that star. It's red giant over here, all the way over here. Let's go to the planetary system. Got this torrid Neptune, pretty hot. This torrid sub-Neptune on the other side of the system. Got this all the way out here. It's pretty tiny, pretty tiny. Of course, it's got no life on it. Okay. No, no life. Pretty cool. Got a yellow dwarf and a white main sequence star. Got a companion, a little companion. Very center. Got one planet, one pathetic planet. Let's look at this pathetic planet. Pathetic. Even more pathetic moons. Got anything in here? Super cluster. Got a temperate mini Jupiter. Okay, enough with this. What am I doing? I've got to do something useful. For NASA. I've got to find a cool black hole in a cool galaxy. Far, far away. Moving at mega light years a second. I'm gonna find a cool galaxy. In this spiral galaxy over here. What a shape. Let's go to the center. And I'm gonna use F3 and that. And let's go filter. Doesn't matter. System main star, black hole. Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay. Got 103 black holes. Let's go to this. This black hole. Right there. Ooh, I love black holes in this game. Can see the whole galaxy from here. I love how when you're zooming into a black... Let me go far away. And, ooh, look at that. A black hole. Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going through a portal. Is that the galaxy around me? I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? What am I doing? Zoom back out. Okay, let's go back to this black hole. This isn't a super big black hole. It isn't a super massive black hole. Wait, is it a super massive black hole? Its gravity is infinite. It's got planets. It's got planets. I can't believe this planet managed to stay in orbit. Anyways, we got some mini Jupiters, mini Neptunes, mini Terras. They're airless, all airless. That's to be expected, because, like, how are you going to support an atmosphere? Anyways, let's go back to the search. Go to distance, 158 light years away. This is the one we're at. Go to this one. Another relatively small black hole. Let's go inside of the black hole. Oh my gosh. Everything's so blue and so weird. I can see the galaxy. I can see the galaxy. Okay, let's just... No, wait. Oh yeah, I'm in a galaxy far away. I forgot. Okay. What does APP mag mean? Got two binary black holes. Is this what I'm seeing? The black hole must be tiny. Can't even see it. Let me zoom in. Oh, that's not the black hole. That's the black hole. And where am I? I don't know what happened to this black hole. Where am I? Did I get sucked up in the black hole? My game is glitched. It's just sending me here. Oh, I see what was going on. I was super zoomed in. Okay, let's go back to the galaxy. Okay. Let's search again for more black holes. I think this might be mass. Oh, we got a supermassive one. What a black hole. Wow, it kind of hurts my eyes how this black hole is being rendered. It's so shiny! My eyes! Oh my gosh! Okay, let's go to a different galaxy. This one's getting boring. Galaxy far, far away from that ugly galaxy. Let's go to that galaxy. That galaxy all the way over there. That one. Why is everything so red? Oh no, what is going on? Is that just a texture? I think I might have gone too far. Let's go to this one. This looks like it could be a galaxy. That's not a galaxy. Wow, I'm completely lost. Let's go back to Earth. Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Okay. Let's look for Sagittarius A. A, A, A star. I'm lagging very hard. Let's zoom out. Where's my dear friend Earth? No, I've lost Earth. Oh, is that Earth? Nope, that's Jupiter. I don't know what happened to Earth. Oh, the sun. Anyways. Let's look for another black hole. Uh, let's go to this one. Nice black hole. What a black hole. Mom! Okay, I'm gonna look for Sagittarius A star. Sagittarius A star. That is not a star, it's a black hole. Anyways, Milky Way's central black hole. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. Why is it, why is it so ow. Ow, it's so laggy. I don't like intense renders. I don't like intense renders. Okay, let's get away from here. Let's look for another black hole. Let's go here. Infinite mass. Okay, let's go here. Cancel. Close. Okay, another black hole. Nice black hole. Let me land on the black hole. I'm being sucked in. Mama. Mama, remember me when I'm gone, Mama. Mama, remember me when I'm gone, Mama. Oh, I'm in the singularity. I'm in the singularity. Okay, I'm on the event horizon. I just went through the singular. I am in the singularity. Help me. Help. Help me. Help. Help me. Yeah, let's loop that real quick. Yeah, let's loop that real quick. Yeah, let's loop that real quick. We've got a nice black hole here. My favorite part about the black hole is when you're moving it around and it looks like a figure 8. Anyways, we've got a nice black hole here. My favorite part about the black hole is when you're moving it around and it looks. My favorite part about the black hole is when you're moving it around and it looks. Bruh, am I live, bruh? 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 That's cringe. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Cringe. Nah, hello? I'm not gonna do that. Cringe. Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? I get it. I get it. Why is there so many people there? Why is there so many people there? Hello? 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 Are you gonna respond to me? Boy, why are you screeching in my ears? Boy, why are you screeching in my ears? Boy, why are you screeching in my ears? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It sounds like a smoke alarm. It sounds like a smoke alarm. What are you doing? It sounds like a smoke alarm. What are you doing? It sounds like a smoke alarm. What are you doing? It sounds like a smoke alarm. What? 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 get back to what I was trying to do. Instead of making smoke alarm sounds. Oh, I think we know what this star is. Cool. Kepler 22b. Oh, another. Let's look for another black hole I know. What's another black hole I know? Oh, M. I, wait. Hmm. M106 star. It's a central black hole. Oh my gosh, it's a big black hole. It's a really big black hole. In fact, let's look at the accretion disk. What an accretion disk. It's beautiful. Now let's land inside of it. Oh my gosh, I think I'm in the singularity. Oh, I'm not. I'm at the point of no return. Oh, no, I'm not. Let's go to the point of no return. I'm in the. Okay. Thankfully, I didn't. Oh, where am I? Okay, let's get out of this black hole. I don't want to be inside of the black hole. Yeah, that's pretty bright, I'd say. If you can still see the shine in that direction from all the way from 8 light years away, I think that's a pretty big black hole. Okay. What a galaxy, though. And what a black hole. You can still see it. Oh, no, I can't. I can't anymore. It just goes straight to the center. Straight in the center of the black hole. It's right there. Can't miss it. What a black hole. And what is this? Looks like dinner. Dinner for the black hole. Does this have any... Save that as a location. Does this have anything? Oh, I think this is the entire galaxy that I'm looking at. Does this specific star have anything? No, I'm not looking at the entire galaxy. Anyways, pretty cool black hole, I'd say. But to me, all black holes are cool, because I love black holes. I mean, you've got to agree with me, black holes are just awesome. Okay, let's look for more black holes. If I search star, will I get a bunch of black holes? Are these black holes? Do we know if this is a black hole? Oh, nope, this is a star. So if I search once more, and I instead put like M, and then a star. I perhaps get anything? I'll get M105 star. Let's go to this black hole. What a black hole. It's another supermassive one, but it's right in the middle of one of these galaxies. In the middle, one of these, like, clump galaxies? I don't know. Clump galaxies, I guess. What a beautiful black hole. Now, let's go to the big one. Let's go to No, not Sagittarius A star. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Ton 618 star. What a black hole. I can still see it from 168 light years away. What a massive black hole. If we were to just put this to scale with the stars that are orbiting it, let's click on this button right here. Wow. These stars look tiny. They look minuscule. This one. Okay. So, basically, what this is telling me is if you were to put Sagittarius, no, not Sagittarius A star, Ton 618 star, and you were to put it in the middle of our solar system, it would be 2,605 distances from the Earth to the Sun. So that's pretty big. And don't forget, black holes have infinite density, so infinite weight, and it's that big. If Ton 618 got thrown at us at the speed of light, we'd be okay, since Ton 618 is very far away. But we wanna we would survive a long time. So good thing there's no way that Ton 618 can kill us, because it'll take longer than 5 billion years, and in 5 billion years the sun will swallow us. So yeah, the sun's gonna kill us first. More dangerous than this. Wow, but look at this. Okay, these are all stars. These are all stars, right? So I don't use kilometers. I don't use kilometers. I'm American, but I'm pretty sure. What is that number? 411,000 kilometers is pretty big, right? Let's take that, make that 505,576,000, so on, so on, so on, so on, until you get, excuse me, until you get the biggest star here that's in kilometers. Is that million? 4.24 million kilometers. So I don't know what this is in, kilometers, but basically 0.07 the distance of Earth to the sun. So we got 0.08, and then look what they're all orbiting. Oh my gosh, more than 3,000 times that. So yeah, Ton 618 is massive. Just for scale. I don't know if it's legal for me to pull up Universe Sandbox and make a comparison of the solar system to Ton 618, because this is space engine stream. So I don't know if that's legal, but I guess I can show an image. Why am I on caps lock? Can I paste this in any way? Browser. Browser capture, I think. Add new browser. URL. That. Can y'all see that now? Yeah. Look at that. I'll scale this up for you guys. That's the solar system. That's Ton 618. Those are some stars bigger than the sun. And then get this out of here. Delete. Remove. Yes, I wish to remove. Okay. And then these are stars bigger than the sun. Ah. No. What just happened? Okay, these are stars bigger than the sun. And so it's all that tiny. Then Ton 618. Oh my gosh. It's massive. It's insanely massive. And it's also so massive that it's got infinite density at its core. So, yeah, pretty massive. Oh, I think I'm in the accretion disk. Okay, it's not quite like the interstellar black hole. Of course, interstellar was not real. So, I have to go scavenging for a black hole that looks like that. But I'm not going to do that. Or will I? Let's go to some random galaxy all the way over there. Yep, let's go to this one. Go to the center. We got a big black hole. I should see it if there's a big black hole. Yep, I think we have a big black hole. Probably right here. We've got a big black hole. It's probably right here. Do we have a black hole here? Nope. So you want to know what we're gonna do? We're gonna look for one. I'm going to find a black hole in this galaxy that's really big. So let's just search. Got this one. Let's go to this one. Oh, well, I'm blind. There is one in here. It's not insanely massive. The accretion disk is relatively small. Pretty small. Can I see it from 128 AU away? I cannot. I cannot see it. I mean, 120 light years away, I cannot see it. It's disappointing coming from you. Ooh, you're binary with another star. And it's perfect. You guys are like the same size. Nice. Anyways, I think that's the black hole. Nope, not a black hole. Anyways, I'm gonna search for more black holes. Because we've got a ton in this galaxy. We've got 156 black holes. Doesn't even have an accretion disk. Don't have an accretion disk, then get lost. Okay. I think that's gonna be the biggest one in this galaxy. Yep, this is small. I guess it bugged out. Let's go to that galaxy. All the way over there. Black hole in here? Is that the black hole? Is that the black hole? Is that the black hole? No, I'm not gonna do that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do one of these. I'm gonna do a Shift F3 search. We've got the closest one. 135 light years away. It's all the way over here. Does this one not have a central black hole or something? What's up? Is there no black hole in here? I think there isn't any black holes in here, actually. So that's why I'm gonna go to a different galaxy, because the biggest black hole in that galaxy was tiny. Let's go to this one. Nice. The black hole. Maybe here? If I had to take a guess, it'd be here. Do I see any black hole signs in here? Okay, let's just use this thing. Looks like there's 313 black holes. The closest one is here. And it's not loading. This is a nice whirlpool. What? Whirlpool Swirl Galaxy. Anyways, let's go to another orange galaxy. If it's yellow, it's gotta be good. Black hole is most likely here. Let's use The search tool. There's one light year away. Where is it? I'm having some sort of graphical issue, and it's not loading. So let's go back to the Milky Way. How far away is the Milky Way from here? That's the question. Ooh, it's a whirlpool right here. I mean, what is this? Is this just like some galactic dust floating in the air? Is there any black holes in here? Look at that star real quick. It's like some galactic dust floating in the middle of nowhere. Got a black hole in this galactic dust. We do have a black hole in this galactic dust, and that looks like that looks pretty cool. When people think of space, they think of this cosmic clump of dust that I'm looking at right now. They think, ooh, that's what space is. It's that, stars, planets, black holes, kind of. But galaxies don't look like that. They look like this. But I'm not talking about most people. I'm just talking about people that don't know what space really is. And I'm not even sure I know what space really is. Do I know what space really is? I'm in space. I've got space in my room. But it's not, of course, not the space that I'm talking about. There's a lot of black holes in here. 523 of them. There's 1, 3, 2. Whoa, there's a lot of black holes pretty close to me. Let's go here. It's right below me. I don't like it when you're near a black hole and you can't turn your camera. It just happens sometimes. I think. I hate the tracking feature. Okay, let me go back to this black hole. Okay. Now let's go to this black hole. Ooh, this one's got a tiny accretion disk. Little baby accretion disk. I don't think this one's swallowed enough stars yet. Buddy, swallow some more stars and maybe I'll come back to you. Go faster! Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Okay, let's go to that galaxy. Look at that one. Yep, some more galactic dust floating in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Looks pretty cool, honestly. I love galactic dust floating in the middle of nowhere. And would you look at that? It's your typical galaxy. It's like a perfect circle, or perfect oval. Let's look for black holes in here. This looks like a black hole hotspot right here. This looks like a black hole hotspot. 500 black holes. What a galaxy. 3 of them are less than a light year away. Wow. This look like the Spotify. I don't know what I'm talking about actually. Let's just. What am I? Okay. Class. Ooh, let's go to this one. Oh, that's the one I'm at. Okay. Hmm. Let's go to this one. Not to this. Let's see your parent. Where's your parent at? Is that your parent, buddy? Is this your parent? Is your parent the black hole? Black hole, do you have some children? The black hole indeed has some children. Some nice children. It's got a Saturn child. I'm assuming this light's coming from the black hole. I'm gonna have to end stream today. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna do my outro. Psych, I don't have an outro.